There are moments in life we think will last forever, but what if they don't? What if one day all that remains is just a photograph, smiling faces frozen in time while life quietly moves ahead? Today's poem is not just about a picture, it is about time, memory, and the silence of loss. Now, let us gently step into this memory created by Shirley Tolson. I will now recite the poem A Photograph by Shirley Tolson. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hands, and she, the big girl, some 12 years or so, all three stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with the camera. A sweet face, my mother's, that was before I was born, and the sea, which appears to have changed less, washed their terribly transient feet. Some 20, 30 years later, she'd laugh at the snapshot. See, Betty and Dolly, she would say, and look how they dressed us for the beach. The sea holiday was her past. Mine is her laughter, both wry with the labored ease of loss. Now she is been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived, and of this circumstance there is nothing to say at all. Its silence silences. This poem by Shirley Tolson is not just about a photograph, it is about the journey of time and the quiet pain of losing someone dear. The poet looks at an old photograph of her mother as a young girl standing happily with her cousins by the sea. That moment is full of life, innocence, and joy. But here comes the deeper realization. The sea remains almost unchanged, but human life changes, fades, and ends. Years later, the poet's mother would look at this same photograph and laugh, remembering her childhood. For her, it was a memory of happiness. But today, the poet is standing in a different place. Her mother is no more, and what remains? Not loud grief, not tears, but a deep unspoken silence. Its silence silences. This line shows that some emotions are so deep that words become meaningless. You look at old photographs. Do you feel happiness or a hidden sadness? Why does the poet compare human life with the sea? Can silence express more than words? If memories stay but people don't, what should we value more? This poem helps you develop emotional understanding, realizing the depth of loss, critical thinking, understanding contrast between nature and human life, value based learning, importance of relation and time. Life is temporary, memories are powerful. Time changes everything, silence can express the deepest emotions. This is not just a chapter, it is a lesson for life. We often ignore the present moment, thinking there is always more time. But this poem reminds us one day, today will become a memory. One day, people around us will become stories. So don't just capture moments in photographs. Live them, feel them, value them. Pause for a moment, think of a photograph in your life, a moment you wish you could step into again. Now ask yourself, are you truly living your present or just saving it for the past? This is Bright Educational Classes where learning goes beyond books and touches the heart.